What's up, fam? So in today's video, I want to talk to you guys about this biotin beard growth balm, and this is from Beard Club. So y'all already know Beard Club has been on this channel before, and it was actually showcasing my brother using the product, which he will be using this one as well. But I want to actually show you guys my reaction from it because I was doing a voiceover and I was like, maybe they want to see my honest reaction. And I'm like, let's go ahead and get into it. So the last one that we had was the beard balm, not beard balm, but it was the beard growth oil, and it was like the whole kit. And it smells so good with that sandalwood smell, ever so light. Like y'all gonna have to figure this out, because when I said get this for your ladies, that means the ladies is gonna be rubbing it in the men's beard, okay, baby? So listen, let's go ahead and get into this. And I feel like because it's biotin, you could definitely put this in your beard. You could definitely put this in your hair. And I know a lot of men suffer with balding spots and stuff of that nature. So if you got a little patch missing here or here or here or here, go ahead and rub some of this stuff in. Now, don't quote me on it, but I'm just saying, if it's for your hair, it's for any hair. You feel me? So let's go ahead and open this up because, baby, I already know it's gonna smell good because the other one smelled scrumdiddlyumptious, and I was like, I am not even gonna hold you. So yes, this is what it is looking like. As soon as you open it, you peel this off, so it's like a nice creamy consistency right there. Yes, ooh, it smells so good, oh my gosh. So it's kind of like a pudding, and I'll put a little bit on my finger just so you guys can see that right there. And I'm gonna go ahead, oh, my nails is dirty, excuse me, y'all. It's like I've been working in a coal mine. But yes, y'all, it rubs in really, really good. So I want to say this would be good for your scalp. This would definitely be good for your beard as well. Not like the scalp, but the hair, because that's what we're trying to get. You know, we need to penetrate that follicle with this biotin, because not everybody wants to take pills and stuff of that nature to grow their hair. There's biotin pills out there, but baby, I'm here for the biotin beard growth balm. And if you guys haven't seen that video, I'll probably put it up on the side if it hasn't been playing already, of his beard. This is how he takes care of his beard, y'all. He's constantly moisturizing it and brushing it and putting all sorts of goodies like this in there. So if you need your beard to grow just as luscious as his is, I recommend this product, okay? And I will see you guys in my next review. Bye.